Yo, welcome to the Wabiest channel on YouTube, bringing you sneaker content, clothing content, fashion content, whatever content I want to bring. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. If this is not your first time here, welcome back to the channel. We got a little unboxing slash review today. StockX order. I made an order on StockX and it went alright, so we placed another order for something that I really wanted. So, you already see by the title. Let's unbox them and take a look. Alright, so you see here we have the shipping box. Let's go ahead and get it open. I've cut guitar picks out of this, so I think it should be good for opening. Maybe not. There we go. My bad. I'm trying to, not have all my information showing the shipping and all that, so just trying to keep the box exactly in this position. But we got it open, so we're good. Got this bubble wrap in here. It's green. Maybe that's eco-friendly, recycled plastic or something. Boom. Look at that. So you see here we have this Vans off the wall box. What's Supreme on here? Vans there. Supreme on the back. Here's the shoe. Right there. I ordered these in a 9.5. Vans kind of fit weird sometimes. So look at this blister. I got this blister on my hand. Right there. For my batting gloves. But yeah. Watch me hit the MLB one day. Watch. Just watch. Just watch. Just a pickup player. But I'm gonna be in the MLB. Watch. No, I'm just kidding. But opening this up, this little StockX little paper ad here, pretty much how much I paid for everything. The shoe, $160, not bad. I'm not really tripping. I'm sure I can get these cheaper in a little bit, because I'm gonna buy the red colorway for sure. I may get the blue just to have all of them, but the paper has like the Vans signature checkerboard on there. And we have the shoe. Let me adjust this light just a little bit. So, this shoe's a little problematic for me, mainly because I really only wear Vans Authentics, and this is a Vans Era. I mean, it's just this little puff part here. I'm just not a huge fan of it, but it is what it is. I just wish these were Authentics, but they're not, and there's nothing I can do about it. So let's continue. On the bottom, you have the waffle print on here. Do you see? These are the pro models, I'm pretty sure. They have to be. It doesn't say it anywhere on there. Let me see. Little StockX thing on the inside, little sticker. Vans Pro Cushion. So yeah, these are pretty dope. Oh, these have some little straps in there. Okay. Let's look at the inside. Right there. But yeah, these have the reinforced sole, outsole, and midsole for skateboarding. So you can get these a little roughed up and they'll hold, let their condition. This is nice. I really like the skateboarding and pro model shoes, just because the build quality is really nice with the Vans on these. Yeah, we need a BMX model. Make that the authentic for BMX. You heard me? We don't need them half cabs and Vans highs, old school highs. We need some authentics. But yeah, here's these. Got the Vans on the back, Supreme right under it. Yeah, of course it has the monogram. It's kind of the hype behind the shoe. Gucci-ish style monogram, but not really. Oh, look at that. There's a little checkerboarding on the inside. So, yeah. Got this Supreme, or got the stock X tag. You already know we busting that thing off. On the Vans little thing here, Vans little tag, it's like checkerboard print behind that. Pretty dope. Comes with a set of black laces as well. And you have that Vans Supreme sticker on there. This shoe overall is pretty much the same. Yeah, it's the same, nothing different. But yeah, this is the Vans authentic era, whatever, Vans era. Eyelets are black on here. You see that right there. Kind of blends in with the shoe. It'd have been sick if they would have put some like red eyelets or gold or something. But yeah, that's the unboxing. I'm gonna put these on foot, do a couple clips for you. Got the nice leather on the inside, but it's Vans. I think they're like PETA people, so they may not be real leather. So my memory card got filled up, but this is the Ultra Cush sole, the Ultra Cush sole, insole. So you see how thick that thing is. Yeah, quite thick. For reference, ash blue insole. You see how it like comes up so it looks like it's thick, but really it's just all the way around. You can just see the difference in thickness between these. So yeah, very nice, very comfortable, nice to wear all day, and it's like rubberized kind of. So this one I wasn't trying to make too much of a review kind of style with, but it turned into that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on foot. You can wear these a lot of ways. That's why I like Vans a lot. And these are just different. When you put these on, no one's gonna have these really. Yeah, I like, you know how I am. If you've been here for a minute, you know how I am. But instead I'll be a little different. I live in a state where being different's not even cool, really. Until it is cool, and then I change. So yeah. But that is it for this video. Like I said, I'm gonna put them on foot. Here's that in about a couple seconds. But this is me, Wavy V, signing off.
Till my fingers blue, till my fingers blue. I like hundreds till my fingers blue, till my fingers blue, till my fingers blue. I like hundreds till my fingers blue. I just fought this bitch inside a Bentley coupe. Hop up in the rave, got stars up on the roof. I like selling mid because I smoke the booth. I be counting hundreds till my fingers blue, till my. 808 was still.
Then this is not a true exclusive.
Till my fingers blue, till my fingers blue. I like hundreds till my fingers blue.